Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Huracan versus the Porsche GT3. We'll dive into their performance, driving dynamics, and overall appeal to help you decide which supercar best suits your desires. Get ready for a head-to-head look at these automotive titans, exploring what makes each one a legend on the road and track. Let's find out which one truly stands out. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Huracan typically features a powerful 5.2-liter V10 engine, delivering up to 640 horsepower and a top speed around 202 miles per hour. The Porsche GT3, on the other hand, is known for its high-revving 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, producing 502 horsepower and a top speed of 193 to 194 miles per hour. Both offer blistering acceleration, with the Huracan hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.5 seconds and the GT3 in about 3.2 seconds. When it comes to the driving experience, the Huracan delivers an emotional, raw, and often intimidating feel, with its aggressive styling and a captivating V10 engine sound. The GT3, however, is celebrated for its surgical precision, exceptional balance, and driver-focused feedback, making it a favorite for track enthusiasts. Its design is more understated yet purposeful, reflecting Porsche's engineering-first philosophy, while the Lamborghini screams exotic Italian flair. Deciding which is better often comes down to personal preference and intended use. The Huracan offers an undeniable sense of occasion and dramatic presence, while the GT3 provides a more refined, yet equally thrilling, track-honed experience that can also be enjoyed daily. Both command premium prices, with the Huracan often starting around $200,000 and the GT3 around $180,000, varying by model and options. And speaking of making things easier, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Ultimately, your choice will reflect whether you prioritize raw emotion or precision engineering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.